over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends.
Welcome to my fans on the TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Stellenbosch 1. I'm joined by Uti
Hello, Steve.
Yeah.
When we remember Chiefs well. May 26 October.
Yes.
Sidala nale team yaseNigeria boku. Buse Dobson Vale. Chiefs sidlala le Dobson Vale. Yeah. But anyway, thina sibulawe coach namuhla.
Yes.
Ake uqale ngoChabeleng.
Yes.
No Saleng.
Yes.
No Matthews.
Yes.
Matthews is too lazy.
He's very lazy.
Lo muntu ulamtutu we-Chiefs.
Yes.
It's not our material, that's why. Why? Matthews belong to Chiefs, not to us.
Matthews must go.
Yeah, but even though Pirates, yes, will win the league.
Pirates will win the league.
Yeah, because we have 4 leagues in South Africa.
Yeah.
Premier,
Yeah.
Soccer League,
Yeah.
Betway,
Yeah.
and ANC Youth League,
Yeah.
and ANC Women's League,
Yeah.
and a Super League.
Yeah.
So Pirates will win ANC Youth League, and then Chiefs will win ANC Women's League. Yes, and then Sundowns will win Premier Soccer League. It's what I can say. Yeah. So it's Sundowns. Number 1 Europa by NC. Sundowns is a winner. A Premier Soccer League Betway.
Thank you, Chairman.
Thank you.
Thank you, Chairman.